Good morning, students. Welcome to Geeta Global School. So today we are going to read GK from your Together with General Awareness book, class 6. So students, today we are going to read chapter number 10. So chapter number 10 is related to islands dotting the earth. Islands dotting the earth means islands surrounding the earth. So let me tell you something about islands. What is an island? So students, an island is a piece of ground that is surrounded by a body of water. तो एक पीस ऑफ ग्राउंड होता है, जमीन होती है जो चारों तरफ से पानी से घिरा होता है और बीच में लैंड होता है. अब वो हो सकता है कि इट मे बी अ रिवर, लेक और सी. ओके, सो वाटर इज ऑल अराउंड एन आइलैंड. पूरे चारों तरफ आइलैंड के वाटर रहता है. आइलैंड्स आर स्मॉलर देन कॉन्टिनेंट्स. ओके, सो in size, if compared, islands are smaller than continents. And do you know which is the largest island in the world? Yes, it is the Greenland. I hope you have heard about the Greenland. Okay, unless Australia is believed to be an island. Okay, so let's see what happens here. See the question. John has gone on a cruise and the cruise stops at various islands on its way. The tourist guide is very well read. So before stopping at every island, he gives a brief description of the island. Can you identify the islands the guide talks about? So like John is a person who is traveling and the cruise stops at every island and tells him very short about these islands. So let's identify these islands with the help of the picture given beside each question. See students, first see question number 1, picture. Now see what is question number 1. To go back a little bit in history, Christopher Columbus first visited this island. So number 1, the island we are talking about, long time ago Christopher Columbus visited this island, and Sir Francis Drake also landed there in the year 1856. So which island is this? Please see. It is number 1, Cayman Islands. Cayman. Cayman Islands. Islands. Now in book you will write these answers with pencil. Now see children, picture number 2. What is the question? Our next stop is the largest island in the world. I have already told you this is Greenland. 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 Now see picture number 3. Okay, so what is question number 3? The beauty of this island is going to leave you simply awestruck. इतना ज़्यादा सुंदर है ये आइलैंड कि आप देख के हैरान रह जाओगे. So where is this island? This is situated in Greece. Okay, and this island has over more than 250 churches. So इस आइलैंड के आसपास around there are 250 churches. So which island is this? Mykonos. Mykonos. Answer number 3, Mykonos. Mykonos. Now students, question number 4. This island is also known as Emerald Isle and is the 3rd largest island of Europe. So this is known as Emerald Isle and this is the third largest island of Europe. So answer number 4 is what? Answer number 4 is Erie. Okay, so in answer number 4 you will write Erie. Ireland. Erie. Come to question 5 students. See, it is time for wildlife lovers to rejoice as our next stop features the most amazing wildlife. बहुत सुंदर wildlife. Okay, watch out for we will see here different animals. See this picture. You can see here koala bears, possums, kangaroos, echidnas, and this is the third largest island in Australia. So what is it? Kangaroo Island. Spelling kangaroo you can see from here. Answer number 5, Kangaroo Island. KANGAROO, Kangaroo Island. ISLAND, Kangaroo Island. Answer number 5. Now come to question 6. This is the picture for question 6. Now we are going to get down at the beautiful island in Thailand. So this island is situated in Thailand, and the mining of material has led to the christening of this island. So this is which 6 number? This is your Tin Island. Tin, Tin ISLAND, Tin Island. Okay. Question 7 picture is here. This one. Let's read the question. Our next stop is 160th Malay Archipelago. One of our destinations is going to be Borneo. So they will visit Borneo also, and it is the third largest island of the world. So you can understand, in world this is the third largest island, and Borneo shares its political loyalties to which countries? Do you know, children? So you will find out this. Okay, so what is the answer of question number 7? Indonesia, Malaysia and Brunei. So answer is Indonesia, INDONESIA, Indonesia. And there are 2 questions that with which country it shares its boundaries. So it will be Malaysia and Brunei. MALAYSIA, Malaysia and Brunei, BRUNEI. Question 8 picture you can see. Next on the list is a visit to the most populous island of the world. Most populous, that means many people are living here, and that is made up of entirely volcanic origin. Okay, it contains many as 38 mountains. So 38 mountains, most populated, and that have been reported of volcanic activity at some point or the other. So all these have been formed because of volcanic origin. So which is it? Java, JAVA. Okay, now question number 9 picture, please see here. Let's read the question. At the next island, the currency in use is rupee. So about this island, the currency which you use here, रूपी में रुपये को गिना जाता है. The island became independent in the year 1976. So this island became independent in the year 1976. Which is it? Seychelles, SEYCHELLES, Seychelles. Answer number 9. Now question number 10, you can see the picture. So what is 10 number? The last stop is group of 550 islands that are situated in the Bay of Bengal. So near Bay of Bengal, in Bay of Bengal 550 islands are situated, and these are only place in India to feature an active volcano. So here only they feature active volcano. So which is it? Andaman Island. Spelling is answer number 10. ANDAMAN, Andaman Islands, ISLANDS. Now see students, fascinating fact. Mary Stuart, the Queen of Scotland, became a queen when she was only 6 days old. Can you imagine? And the coronation took place when she was only 9 months old. Okay, hope you have understood. Please learn this chapter. Thank you.